Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of mediocre video conferencing experiences? Well, I've got a game changer for you, the Owl Labs Meeting L3. This revolutionary webcam is about to take your virtual meetings to the next level. With its incredibly easy setup, you can go from unboxing to your first meeting in just 6 minutes. It's like plug and play, no fuss, no hassle. The Meeting L3 is well reviewed and a popular choice among many customers, and for good reason. It offers HD quality video that's so crisp and clear, you'll feel like you're right there in the room with your colleagues. The device is also incredibly versatile, allowing you to pair it with other Owl Labs products to expand your coverage, whether you're in a small huddle room or a large conference space. You can even add an expansion mic to ensure everyone's voice is heard, and the sound is rich and full, with no annoying echoes or delays. The Meeting L3 is also universally compatible, certified for Microsoft Teams and compatible with most web-based video conferencing platforms, so you can use it with your favorite tools, like Zoom or Google Meet. In real-life use cases, this means you can effortlessly switch between different platforms, without having to worry about compatibility issues. Plus, the device is incredibly easy to manage, with a simple and intuitive management tool that lets IT admins seamlessly oversee their fleet of devices. So why settle for a subpar video conferencing experience when you can have a seamless and high-quality one with the Meeting L3? It's the perfect solution for anyone looking to upgrade their virtual meetings, and with its ease of use, versatility, and top-notch quality, it's no wonder it's a favorite among so many customers. So go ahead, give it a try, and take your virtual meetings to new heights. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you like the video.